Good morning, one and all. So, in continuation with the Saturday's topic, today we will start with that fats are going to give the high amount of energy, and the next one to that is proteins, approximately 5, and fats above 9. And coming on to the carbohydrates, give the less amount of in all the three, that is 4.1. So here the answer for this question, here we can see the from the given options all are above 3 calories like that, but the highest fats will be approximately near to the 9.5. So here we can go with the from the given options, we can go with the answer D option. Here option answer. Next, coming on to the next question, 155 question. Marasmus is caused by obesity, dwarfism, prolonged starvation, deficiency of vitamin. Marasmus means protein. Marasmus is a protein and calorie malnutrition, and kwashiorkor is a protein malnutrition. Here, marasmus is and calorie malnutrition. C option is the right answer. Next, 156 question. 156. During prolonged fasting, in what sequence are the following organic compounds used up by the body? Here, going on to the 157 question. 157 question. Sequence of food materials consumed during starvation is carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Fats, proteins, carbohydrates, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Sequence of food materials consumed during first, the amount of carbohydrates will be stored first, will be utilized, then next to that fats will be consumed, the fats will be converted into proteins. So the order of sequence of food materials that are to be utilized is carbohydrates, then followed by the fats, then followed by the proteins. So that is the correct sequence of order of consumption of food during the starvation. Next, one. So here two columns. Column 1 is given with the deficiency diseases or certain things related to this. Match the following nutritional or vitamin deficiencies. So all are vitamin deficiency diseases, column 1, and column 2 with the correct option related to this nutritional or vitamin deficiencies. So when you see onto this particular question, kwashiorkor, general anemia, dermatitis, marasmus, and bleeding, and here the things given are iron, menadione, protein, pyridoxine, and biotin. You know that kwashiorkor is a protein malnutrition, and general anemia means hemoglobin related factors. So here marasmus is a Mara, Mara, marasmus marasmus is because of the marasmus is because of the protein, that is pyridoxine, going to be dermatitis means skin that is because of the biotin lacking in the body, and bleeding is mostly concerned with a component responsible for the clotting factor menordin, and general anemia because of. Based on this option, K is we'll try to see that K is Kwashiorkor is concerned with the protein malnutrition. Kwashiorkor protein and general anemia iron related component, and already we have discussed that menatonin is going to bleeding is responsible because of absence of menadian, and marasmus is also one of the responsible factor. Marasmus is of pyridoxine, which is one of the lacking component, and dermatitis is because of the skin problem is related of biotin. So from the given option, say that answer B. Based on the options, answer B is going to solve your. Next, coming on to the next question, kwashiorkor is caused to the deficiency of kwashiorkor. Already we know that it is because of the protein malnutrition. Marasmus is going to take place because of um, proteins are essential for amino acid preparation. So some of the essential amino acids are going to be involved in this process. Next, which of the following diseases is a deficiency of proteins in children? So here marasmus, it is a protein malnutrition. Kwashiorkor is also a protein malnutrition. So rickets is because of vitamin D deficiency. So this will not be the answer. These two can be the answers. So the option which is going to have the A and B is the right answer. Option D is the right answer for this question. Next, 161. Mammals may drink water and also get it from secretion of saliva, oxidation of glucose, breakdown of glycogen into glucose, conversion of oxyhemoglobin to hemoglobin. So here C6H12O6 gives rise to, in the presence of oxygen and heat, they give to CO2 plus H2O. So here oxidation of glucose will lead to the water. So option B is the answer for this question. Next, vitamins are organic substances which can mostly be synthesized by animals. Inorganic substances and cannot be synthesized by animals. Organic substances which cannot mostly be synthesized by animals. Inorganic substances and can synthesized by animals. Vitamins means vital amines. Vital amines are the organic components, so they are not inorganic. So here second option is wrong because they consist of carbon, hydrogen and amine group. So these are the mandatory things that should be present. So organic substances which are mostly synthesized by animals are to be taken as a diet components except B12. So here first option is wrong. First option is wrong. They are not inorganic components. Second option is also wrong. And the inorganic substances. So Here first option, second option, third option is wrong because they are the organic components and which are synthesized, which cannot be mostly. So here the option, because they are synthesized by the plants, proteins are mostly, so here cannot. So this is the right option. C option is the right option. Next, coming on to the next question, 164 vitamins were discovered by Lunin. So here Lunin is the wrong option. It might be given right, but it is the wrong option. Here Kashmir Funk. Funk discovered the vitamin. It is first discovered vitamin was the period, this B1 thiamine in the who are suffering from the vitamin deficiency because of water. So here answer is D. Please change the option as D, not Luni. Next, the term vitamin was given by Funk. So Funk is the person who has named the vitamin as vital amine. So Kashmir Funk is the right answer. Kashmir Funk is the right answer. Next, 167. Fat soluble vitamins are C and D, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, D, E, K. So here you need to remember one code. Vitamins means there are two types of vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins A, K, E. The soluble vitamins are two types, B complex and C. So based on this code, identify that FAKED. So AKED vitamins wherever they are present there. So the option D is the right answer for the vitamin fat soluble vitamins. Now coming on to the next question, which of the following are not? Please change the question here. Not, because retinol vitamin A, calciferol vitamin D, tocopherol vitamin E. Already we have discussed that these are the here answer. If given riboflavin, the answer it is a riboflavin means vitamin B2. So here if this is the option should be, the answer should be not. And if following vitamins means here the fourth option should be 1, comma 2, comma 3, all are correct. So here based on the question, if D option is only right, if D option only should be right, it here are not fat soluble vitamins. And if the question is fat soluble vitamins, then option can be option is retinol and tocopherol, because all these three vitamins are fat soluble and riboflavin is water soluble. So please find the difference. Next, coming on to the next question. Next question, 160, 170, 170. Absorption, 170 question. Absorption of fat soluble vitamins requires. Absorption of fat soluble vitamin requires chymotrypsin, intrinsic factor, pancreatic lipase. So absorption of fats is done by the pancreatic lipase. Lipase will going to degrade the fat. Chymotrypsin and castrol intrinsic factor. Castrol intrinsic factor is responsible for the of the proteins and carbohydrates, and trypsin is meant for protein digestion. So your pancreatic lipase, the option C, option C, option C, option C only is the right answer. because pancreatic lipase is going to absorb that is mandatory requirement. Next question, 173 question, 173. Which one of the following vitamins is manufactured in human liver? So the human liver is where vitamin D is called sunshine vitamin or vitamin D, or it is also called as uh, so it is not the liver vitamin. It is by the conversion of the cholesterol into vitamin D will be done by the vitamin D. So this is the wrong option. According to the question, wrong option. Vitamin C is available in fruits. Vitamin C is available in lemon fruits. So it is also not the right answer. Vitamin D. Vitamin K is generally prepared by other components, and the vitamin A is synthesized by utilizing the different components of leafy vegetables, milk and proteins in the liver only. So answer is vitamin A is synthesized in the liver by utilizing other components. Next, which of the following is not a source of vitamin A? So apple, yeast, carrot, mango. Apple, you have some amount of vitamin A. Carrot is absolutely known for vitamin A, and mango is generally having the citrus composition as well as vitamin A, but yeast is not having the source of vitamin A. It is the source for vitamin other components, that is and it is a single cell protein. Next, coming on to the 178 question, which vitamin is required for rhodopsin? Which vitamin is responsible required for rhodopsin? D, A, C and B2. So here vitamin A is responsible for rhodopsin, means eye related. So here vitamin A is the most important component in preparation of a vitamin A. Next, night blindness is caused by the deficiency of. So here night blindness means eye related. Eye means vitamin A. So answer here is only vitamin A. 179 vitamin A. Next, last 180 question. A doctor advises a patient to include yellow fruits, carrot and butter in his diet. What deficiency? So here already we have discussed that carrots, fruits and butter in his diet. So here he is suffering from most probably the night blindness, because vitamin A is lacking in this, which prevails. So answer for this question is night blindness, because of which the doctor has added the carrots and yellow fruits and other components. Next, coming on to the 182 question, deficiency of vitamin A scurvy. Scurvy is caused because of vitamin C deficiency. Beriberi, so thiamine B1, rickets D, xerothalamia A. So here xerothalamia, answer for this question is xerothalamia, which is because of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency. Next one, 185 question. Sunshine vitamin. Already we have discussed that sunshine vitamin, which is responsible which is produced from the cholesterol, are converted into vitamin D through sunshine. Vitamin here option D. So sunshine vitamin is also vitamin D, or also called as calciferol. Next, 186 question. Where vitamin D is produced in human body from skin, nerves, muscles, and none of these. So generally, it is cholesterol is present just below the skin. So skin is the answer. It will be produced from the cholesterol which is present just below the skin. So yes, option A is the answer for this. Next, coming on to the 187, which of the following vitamin is derived is a steroid synthesized from cholesterol? Question number 187. The following vitamin is steroid synthesized from cholesterol. So vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D are the answers given. So here steroidal hormone first, already we have discussed that uh, vitamin D is derived from the cholesterol. So your answer will be only vitamin D. So option for this answer is vitamin D. Option is also D. Next, coming on to the 189 question. Mineral deposition in bones and teeth is due to vitamin A, B, C, D, E. So your mineral deposition bones. So your calciferol, calcium generally means mostly calcium is deposited. So vitamin A does not have that composition. So here only the vitamin D is generally deposited. Next, coming on to the next 190 question. Calcium deficiency in the body occurs in the absence of vitamin. The vitamin calcium deficiency in the body occurs in the absence of vitamin. Already you know the other name of vitamin D is sunshine vitamin or calciferol. So calcium deficiency is because of vitamin D only. Next 191 question. Rickets occurs in children due to the deficiency of vitamin. Rickets, already we have discussed that the deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets, that is bending up of bone. So obviously the answer can be the vitamin D. Next question, 195 question. Malacia in adults is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. So osteomalacia means bone related problem. This bone related problem is because of calcium deficiency or calcium. So here vitamin D is the answer for A. Next, tocopherol stands for vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. You know that vitamin K is other name is phylloquinone, and vitamin A is vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Here, here tocopherol is the other name of vitamin E. Tocopherol is the other name of vitamin E. So vitamin E other name is tocopherol. So answer is vitamin E. Option is C. Next, coming on to the 198 question. The deficiency of this vitamin is known to cause the abortion in early pregnancy of rat. So here, which vitamin is responsible for the abortion in rat? Retinol, eye. So vitamin A. Calciferol, bones. Vitamin D. Naphthoquinone, no name in the naphthoquinone. So answer can be only tocopherol, because this tocopherol is also called as anti sterility vitamin, and it can also cause certain abortions. It can also cause the abortions. Next, deficiency of tocopherol in the human body causes this condition: scurvy, pellagra, beriberi, and infertility. Already we have discussed that enzyme is also the fertility vitamin. So it deficiency of this causes fertility, that is unable, the parents unable to get child, or the male or female become infertile or not able to produce the offsprings. Next, 200 question: which of the following is not a water soluble vitamin? Already we have discussed that vitamin not a water soluble. So vitamin K is not water soluble. Vitamin K is not a water soluble. Vitamin E is also not a water soluble. FAKED. So your options are wrong, so we will omit this question. Actually, not water soluble means while vitamin B2 also water soluble. Vitamin K and vitamin E are fat soluble. So the question is wrong. That question is wrong. Next, vitamin K is required for respiration,